Akshita, who has spent how many days in Tamil Nadu?
Just about 11 days.
Just about 11 days, enough to gauge the mood on ground. And let's cut across right now to Tamil Nadu, viewers, because anytime now, the man who's got the spotlight on him and how much he delivers and how strongly, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Stalin is waiting in queue to cast his vote.
All right, so these are live images on your screens of M.K. Stalin standing in queue. He's accompanied by his family, his wife Durga Stalin also with him, who's just also casting her vote right now. But you can see the Chief Minister there standing in line. He's promised right here on India Today to Rajdeep that will be a clean sweep, 40 out of 40 for the DMK Congress combined in Tamil Nadu and in Puducherry, of course. Right in front of him is Durga Stalin, his wife, who's also casting her vote. For the India bloc in Tamil Nadu, there is no sizable challenge per se, but the DMK is also making this about prestige. They're making it a point to say that, look, there's no question of the BJP making inroads in Tamil Nadu, like the Prime Minister has been highlighting repeatedly. So that really is the focus for the DMK in this particular election, and to better their 2019 performance of 38 out of 39, Preeti.
Well, it's a grudge fest, you know, it's a blood battle where Tamil Nadu is concerned. The BJP going all out. The Prime Minister has addressed multiple rallies. The language, the kind of communication, the messaging very strongly focused where Tamil Nadu comes into question. The BJP is hoping to make big gains. Now, what those gains will tantamount to, will it be just a double digit in vote share? That remains to be seen, how much it actually translates into seats. Many say that might be a big ask as of now. You know, it could go to maybe 1 or 2 here or there, but really no sizable difference, at least what we are picking up on ground. But having said that, the battle is pitched where it comes down to the state of Tamil Nadu. Those visuals coming in of the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu casting his ballot, doing his due diligence where democracy is concerned very soon. That finger's going to be inked, viewers. And we will urge you all across those 102 seats that are up for polls this morning and today, do go out and vote. Earn yourself the right to crib, because if you're going to crib about your government and you're not going to vote, it's going to tantamount to absolutely nothing. But these visuals coming in from Tamil Nadu, a very interesting, battle. And interestingly, Akshita, to bring you in on this, there's so much fixation when it comes down to the north, especially during elections. This time around, especially during the first phase, keeping in mind the kind of contest we're seeing in Tamil Nadu, it's been practically in the spotlight.
Very true. I think it's one of those states that everyone's talking about, and the state that I think is the most exciting right now. I want to bring in Pramod Madhav also on this broadcast. He's live from the very polling booth. Pramod, Chief Minister Stalin has cast his vote. He's making his way out right now from that polling booth.
Absolutely, Akshita. This is a polling booth, and we're expecting the Chief Minister appear anytime soon. And he, just mentioned, it was 8:30 a.m. and this is a Central Chennai constituency, a very interesting constituency, because one of the two star candidates from this spot is Tamil versus Tamil. DMK's Thamizhachi Thangapandian and BJP's former governor of Telangana and Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, Tamilisai Soundararajan, along with AIADMK's Jayawardhan, is also on the field over here. So it's a three-way battle at this spot, and we could see that the Chief Minister is coming here at this point, and we are also expecting him to speak to us as well. Just like Akshita, you mentioned earlier, he has promised a kind of a total sweep in Tamil Nadu. But interesting factor about Tamil Nadu is that 72% has been recorded constantly. We're expecting the same this time as well. It's definitely hot, but people are coming and they are voting, casting their votes. And any time the Chief Minister, we're expecting him to meet the press as well here, Akshita. This is going to be a very interesting election, because the Chief Minister, DMK, M.K. Stalin, has very clearly mentioned that he is actually the one who is kind of supporting India bloc in a big manner. He was one of the pillars in creating India bloc as well. And here he is on the screen. You could see the Chief Minister, after casting his vote, along with his wife Durga Stalin, is over here. And maybe in a minute or so, he'll also address the press, Akshita.
Stay live then. We'll stay live on these images of M.K. Stalin and his wife Durga Stalin making their way out of the polling booth. Expected to make a brief media statement, which we'll translate live for you. Of course, he's showing off his inked finger, all smiles as he makes his way out of the polling booth. Let's cut across live now to Chief Minister M.K. Stalin's media statement.
நான் என்னுடைய வாக்கு
I have exercised my right as a citizen. I request all citizens to exercise their right as a citizen of democracy. It is a victory for India. That's the Chief Minister and his wife Durga Stalin, who have just showed their inked finger, and he has said that like he has exercised his democratic right, and he has requested that all citizens should exercise their democratic right. Akshita.
Okay, so that is a brief statement that's coming from M.K. Stalin, urging all the people of Tamil Nadu to come out and cast their vote. Pramod, thanks for getting us that live update for the DMK. And let's bring this across to our election intelligence dashboard. For them, you look at the vote share really in 2019.